Up a little bit slowly. Oh! Okay, right now we're going to make bubbles. We are going to put a cup of water into a bowl. Okay, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of Dawn dish detergent. Fill it up, Tom Tom.
All the way. Done.
There you go. Put it in. All the way, Tom Tom, okay? Squeeze and get it all the way in.
We're done.
We're done. A little more. Go ahead. Put it in.
Okay, what is it?
We have water bottles that Mommy cut. I've cut 2 of them. One for Justin, one for Tommy. I'm going to put a sock over the big part over here and then put a rubber band around this part. So I put it over the plastic bottle. It's a little long, so I'm going to tuck this back over the rubber band. Okay, so here's what it looks like. This we're going to use to blow out of it after we dip this part into the solution.
We're going to dip it into the soapy water and then we're going to blow on it.
Okay, go ahead. Tommy, you want to try too? Look at that. Fun. Go ahead, Tommy. Yay!
Whoa!
Pretty cool, right? Okay, ready? You want to put a dot on there of food coloring? Very good.
Let's put orange.
Okay. Looks like it's orange, but it's actually yellow. Put it right next to it, and when it goes together, it'll make an orange.
Green.
Okay. Very nice.
Now we need some blue.
I would put the blue right near the red, so that when they go together, what's it going to make?
Purple.
Good.
Soap.
A little bit. Go ahead. Go up a little bit slowly.
Oh!
As long as you can. That's so cool. So cool.
There's